Welcome to Simply Learn Tech 101. Today we are going to delve into Microsoft Copilot and see more advanced features that we can use for. My friends, AI is a revolution. I'm showing you now how I can create any image using Microsoft Copilot. Here is a basic menu for my restaurant. Of course, I can modify it. When I use a more specific prompt with more input, of course, the result will be more specific to what I want. Let's try to change it and see what happens. When I'm satisfied with the result, I can download it. And here I have it as an image on my computer. First of all, I will upload the CV, my curriculum, and then I can copy it, create a new Word document, and paste it. Remove what I don't need. Those phrases that it adds in the beginning and in the end, they're not relevant. So this is the CV that was created by Microsoft Copilot. I can also ask it to create for me a letter that will go with the CV. Okay, so this is what it created for me. Okay, very professional. Let's say I have a long agreement that was sent to me by a company and I really don't have time or energy to read all of it. I think it's boring. So what I can do is I can upload and see how it summarized for me this agreement, this contract. Here I get a nice summary of the agreement. I can even ask what I should modify in this agreement. So basically, it replaces my lawyer. Okay, for everything that it thinks that is risky, it's showing me here what I should maybe modify. Let's say I'm renting an apartment, I want to create a contract. Let's see what we get. And here I have a basic agreement. So here I get a summary of what happened, and also I get a forecast. Next week, I'm traveling to Costa Rica. So I want to know what are things I can do in Costa Rica and which currency they're using in Costa Rica. So here I see a plan I can do in Costa Rica for a week. So it tells me, of course, not to invest only in one thing, to diversify my investment. I get here some investment strategy. Now, let's say I have some stuff in the fridge and I need ideas what I can prepare with what I have in the fridge today in the evening. Let's ask Microsoft Copilot for a tip. Based on a picture where it was taken. So first off, I need to upload the picture. And of course, it tells me that the picture was taken in San Francisco and it's the Golden Gate Bridge. Now, let's say that I'm lazy and I don't like to read about the news, but I need to know what went on in the world in the last week. So let's ask Microsoft Copilot to summarize for us the latest, most important events that happened in the world in the last week. I can also ask more details about a specific event. So here I get more details about that meeting. We can use also Microsoft Copilot to improve our health. eat colorfully, veggies and fruits, to drink water, some lifestyle tips, sleeping between 7 to 9 hours, and of course, some mental and emotional health, practice mindfulness. And here I have a 6-day fitness and wellness routine.